Hey guys, it's PowerStanik here, and I'm recording it like for the fifth time. And yeah, so you try to use 3D camera effect, you get this error which says unable to solve this in this frame, or solving camera analyze failed or something. And for me in my case, the half of video is working, but the other first half is not. So the the solution I came up with, it works sometimes, it doesn't work sometimes. Sometimes doesn't, I mean. So I changed the 3D to 2D source, and I changed it to typical, I think it was. And then it's trying to solve. It solved everything. You see, it's typical. So and then I changed from 2D to 3D. I fucking hell, it's working. Yes, I tried it many times. It didn't work. I didn't because I didn't change this from auto detect to typical. So, oh nice. Damn, I'm a genius. So let me try it. I'm sorry. I'm fucking excited because I was in this problem. I had this problem for long. Wait, no, I don't wanna. Let's create a node. Let's see, it's working. Let's add solid. Yeah, particular. And yeah, it's working now. Yes, my particular is been 3D tracked in its frame. So what I did actually, I first add my 3D 3D oh geez. Well, I add my 3D camera tracker to this to the file, to the video, and I check this detail analyze and check render track points. So you and change let it to auto detect. You're gonna came up with the it's gonna show you the problem, analyze failed or anything else, and then you're gonna change it from 3D to 2D, and then typical, and from auto detect to typical, and you're not gonna see the problem, and then from change from 2D to 3D. That was what I've done. And it changed and I fixed. I can use my 3D tracking. But if you have the video like this, like change from one scene, I mean, like from this scene to this scene, you can't camera track it. Like if you have one footage which has two different scenes, you can't do that. You have to separate the video. You know, I can't camera track this two video like in the same time. If you know what I mean. If you like compose it like this, if I try to camera track, it's not gonna work because this scene is so different than this one. You have to separate them like this, and then you can camera track. So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys understand what I said because I was too messy. Yeah, if you have any question, you can say it in the comment. Maybe you find another way it was better than mine and it's gonna work always. So that was it, guys. Have a good night and bye.